Hello children, I hope all are fine. Okay, today in this video we are going to discuss about human body. Let's start in the session human body. Levels of organization. Cells work together to form tissues. Tissues work together to form organs. Organs work together to form organ system. Cells எல்லாம் சேர்ந்தது தான் tissue. Tissue எல்லாம் சேர்ந்த தொகுப்பு organ, உறுப்பு. Organs எல்லாம் சேர்ந்தது organ system. Okay, so this is basic knowledge. So the system of the human body is a 10 organ systems. In the human body, circulatory, respiratory, skeletal and muscular, digestive, excretory, reproductive, integumentary, nervous, endocrine. So these are all the main. Now today I talk about digestive system. Human digestive system. So the very important one. The food is taken in by human beings in the complex form which needs to be broken down into simpler form to be used by the body. So அப்போ macromolecular இருக்கக்கூடிய அந்த food particle micromolecular convert பண்றதுக்கு நமக்கு organ system தேவை. So அதுதான் digestive system. So the process of conversion of food into simpler soluble form, digestion, செரித்தல். A number of organs present in the body are involved in the digestion and absorption of food. So these organs together constitute the digestive system or the alimentary canal. The alimentary canal begins mouth and ends of the anus. So first starting point nammaloda digestive system mouth. So and finished the stage anus. So they start to end also is very important. The alimentary canal begins from mouth and ends at the anus. There are several other organs in the alimentary canal: esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum that ends at anus. So finally இருக்கக்கூடியது anus. Anus means மலப்புளை. It also contains certain glands known as digestive glands. So digestive glands எதுக்கு இருக்கு அப்படின்னா செரித்தல் secretion glands. Digestive glands na secretion glands. Some important enzyme secretion. Okay, so the help of digestion. So அந்த digestive glands ல இருந்து சுரக்கக்கூடிய அந்த enzymes வந்து செரித்தலுக்கு help பண்ணுது. So with the help of enzymes. For example, salivary glands, liver and pancreas. Let us study about the digestive system in human. Parts of the digestive system. So the organ, movement, food particles broken down. Okay, so first stomach. Upper muscles in stomach relax to let food enter, and lower muscles mixes food with digestive juice. So the food particle broken down proteins. Small intestine, the peristalsis. So the food particles broken down starch, protein and carbohydrate. And pancreas, carbohydrate, fat and proteins. Liver, fat. So the very important. And what are the different parts of digestive system? So the alimentary canal, alimentary tract of the digestive system is composed of the mouth, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, and small and large intestines, rectum and anus. These are all the main parts. And the alimentary tract are following accessory organs: salivary glands, liver, gallbladder and pancreas. The salivary glands, liver and gallbladder and the pancreas aid the process of ingestion, digestion and absorption. The accessory organs of digestion, they play key roles in the digestive process. So the organs either secrete stores substances that pass through the duct in alimentary canal. Look at the picture. This is large intestine, perungudal. So the main parts: cecum, colon, rectum. They come in four types: ascending, transverse, descending, and sigmoid. So just you learn, okay. Mouth or oral cavity. The mouth is an oval shaped cavity inside the skull. Skull means mandayodu. The two main functions of the mouth, what are they? Eating and speaking. So the main purpose. Parts of the mouth include the lips, vestibule, mouth cavity, gums, teeth, hard and soft palate, tongue and salivary glands. The mouth is also known as the buccal cavity. So what are mouth used for? Every time we smile, prawn, talk or eat, we use our mouth and teeth. Our mouth and teeth let us make different facial expressions, form words, eat, drink, and begin the process of digestion. The mouth is essential for speech. With the lip and tongue, teeth help form words by controlling airflow out of the mouth. What are the different parts of the mouth? The hard palate is the front of the roof of the mouth. The soft palate is the back of the roof of the mouth. The uvula is the soft tissue that hangs from the soft palate. The tonsils are balls of tissue on the sides of throat. Mouth parts. So the four type of teeth: incisor, canine, premolars, molars. Incisor, they are chisel shaped teeth found in the front of the mouth. Incisor are mainly used for biting and cutting. So incisor வந்து உணவு பொருளை வந்து கடிக்கிறதுக்கும் கட் பண்றதுக்கும் யூஸ் பண்றோம். Canines, they are very sharp edged teeth that help in tearing piece of food. So premolars, found at the back of the mouth. They are broad and have flat surface. They are mainly used for crushing and grinding the food. And molars, premolars. Molars and premolars also used to crush and grind the food. So உணவுப் பொருட்களை அரைக்கிறதுக்கு பயன்படுது. They are shaped much like premolars but have a much the grinding surface of than premolars. So உணவுப் பொருட்களை நல்லா அரைக்கிறதுக்கு molars and premolars வந்து ஹெல்ப் பண்ணுது. Teeth in human beings. So the very important total lifespan. The human beings bear two sets of teeth. One is baby teeth or milk teeth, primary teeth. So children around the age of 5 have 20 teeth, which is baby teeth or milk teeth or primary teeth. Ten of them each jaw. The set consists of three kinds of teeth: incisor, canines, and molars in baby teeth. Okay. Each jaw has four incisor. Each jaw has four incisor, canines, and four molars. And incisor canines are used to bite the food, and molars are used to grind the food. So these teeth fall off. The child turns 6 years old. They are replaced by permanent teeth. ஸோ அந்த பேபி பற்கள் பால் பற்கள்லாம் விழுந்ததுக்கப்புறம் திரும்ப நமக்கு 6 இயர்ஸ்க்கு அப்புறம் வரக்கூடிய பற்கள் தான் பர்மனெண்ட் டீத். ஓகே. So in the permanent set of teeth there are 32 teeth. So permanent teeth நமக்கு 32 பற்கள். 16 in each jaw. மேல் தாடை and கீழ் தாடை ரெண்டிலுமே 16 இருக்கும். So there are larger than primary teeth and consist of 4 kinds of teeth. So the incisor, canine, premolar and molars. So each jaw has incisor, 4 incisor, 2 canines, 4 premolars and 6 molars. The teeth are covered by the white substance called enamel. The hardest substance found in the body. So very important for teeth. The 4 type of teeth: canine, molar, incisor, premolar. And incisor is used for cutting and bite. The food வந்து எந்த உணவுப் பொருள் எடுக்கிறியோ அதை கட் பண்ணுறதுக்கும் கடிக்கிறதுக்கும். So and molar and premolars வந்து molars வந்து grind பண்ணுறதுக்கு, premolarsம் same. Look at the picture. This is the human teeth. So the important parts: hard palate, soft palate, and inside the cheek and tongue, gum and lower lip, upper lip and vulva, tonsil and retromolar trigene. Floor of the mouth. So these are all the very important parts. Children, all of you take your class up note. Draw the picture, teeth types. Children, all of you take your class up note. The heading: draw the picture, teeth type. Children, did you finish? Children, all of you take your homework note. Write fast. The heading: parts of the digestive system.